Welcome to Ukraine.
Ukraine, a country situated as a buffer between two worlds. To the west is the liberal European Union and the NATO military alliance, and to the east is Russia, former imperial and later Soviet masters of Eastern Europe. Ukraine has been an independent country since the fall of the Soviet Union, but its national sovereignty has come into question once again with the full-scale invasion by the Russian Federation.
The largest invasion of a neighboring country in Europe since World War II.
Every day we hear reports of atrocities committed in the name of war, as Ukraine has become the battleground between two very different ideologies.
Only 4 months ago from the time of this recording, this area was hit.
I want to see for myself what this war means to them. How does a Ukrainian citizen or military combatant live a day-to-day life under constant threat of their homes being destroyed or of having family and friends whom they may never see again?
Слава Україні!
In an era of drone warfare, fake news, political sabotage, and nuclear weapons, which could wipe out humanity in Holocaust.
Here is Mr. Putin.
This could already be the Third World War in the making. Join me as together we venture through Ukraine at war on the front lines of democracy.